to day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas YouTube Hop, hosted by RosaKelly Scrapbooking. And also we have Deborah Adams Creative Live, and of course me, Salty Beach Scrapper. And I decided to go back to number 4, which is Jingle All the Way. And hopefully I met the challenge, but okay, I'm just going to be honest. I only used 1 bell. So anyway, but I hope you love what I made anyway. So let me show it to you. Isn't it stinking cute? So first of all, I used the wooden snowflake from the Dollar Tree. And again, this is the back of it. I was going to paint it, and then I decided, you know what? If I'm going to put it on my door outside, it really doesn't need to be painted. But I do need to add another coat of Mod Podge. Now, I will say that I got this Mod Podge dishwasher safe glass water-based sealer from Amazon. Okay, we don't have a Hobby Lobby near me, and I'm not sure if they sell this at Michael's. So I went ahead and got it on Amazon. Also, I used the Delta Touch of Pink. Okay. And also I used Deco Art or Americana's Cotton Candy. I believe I got this from Walmart, guys. And this is my favorite color. Okay. So now on the actual piece right here, I did use the cotton candy. And then on the little jingle bell right here, I used the touch of pink. But then I think I must have accidentally used this again at some point, because when I put the water-based sealer on here, it got pretty dark. And then I did add a little bit of glitter while I was doing the water-based Mod Podge. Okay, so I have no idea what happened there. But these flat back pearls were gifted to me from Tammy Volin, so I have the larger ones. And then this one, I would have done more, but I didn't have enough to fit around the whole entire thing. So that was kind of a bummer. Again, this is the mint green burlap from the Dollar Tree. Oh, and the jingle bells. Let me show you this really quick. I knew there was something else I wanted to show you from Dollar Tree. Sorry. So this is a 2-piece necklace. Okay, and it came with, I'm sorry, my hands are full of paint, 6 little jingle bells. So I have the other one right here. I was going to put both of them on there, and then I thought, you know, that doesn't look right, so I just left it with just one. But anyway, so I have another one to use for a different project, but I just wanted to show you that. Now also, this little snowflake right here is from Cricut, and of course if you have the subscription to Cricut, it is free. And it is M as in Michael, 8, D as in dog, B as in Bob, 1, F as in Frank, 4, 3. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that in case you were interested. Now, the Let It Snow, I will say I have created this file for you for free. Okay, so if you want this file, go ahead and email me at saltybeachscrappers with an S at the end at gmail.com. Okay, and I will have those links down in the subscription or in the description box. Okay, and the reason why I'm going to give it to you in that type of file is that it's easy for you to download. Okay. So anyway, it is a box.com file, and you can go ahead and grab it anytime you want. You do not need to have a membership to box.com from what I know. All you have to do is sign up, and you don't have to pay. You can just do the free version, okay? That's all I know. So anywho, but I just really love how this turned out, and I hope you all like it too. I did actually sew this button in here, and then I added some ribbon that I got from Amazon, and it's called That In. And this is just the light pink or blush pink, something like that. It's really pretty. So I thought it turned out really cute, guys. I hope you love it. Guys, stay tuned for day 7 tomorrow, and I have no idea what I'm going to do yet. Maybe Dear Santa. I just don't know yet. Anyway, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to enter a chance to win the contest at the end of this hop. Okay, guys? So I'll see you all tomorrow for day 7. Bye, y'all.